All that we're doing here is listing the possible rational zeros. Okay, so our formula says factors of 15 on top, so 1, 3, 5, and 15 on top, plus or minus. And on the bottom, factors of 8. So on the bottom, well, I don't need to say plus or minus again, it's good enough on top. We have 1, 2, 4, and 8. Okay, so start off using the 1 on the bottom. So I can say plus or minus 1, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 15. Now I'll do 2 on the bottom. So I have plus or minus 1 half. I have plus or minus 3 over 2. I have plus or minus 5 over 2. And I have plus or minus 15 over 2. Let's see, I'll come down here and I'll say, let's see, comma, 1/4, now I'm doing 4 on the bottom. So 1 over 4, plus or minus 3 over 4, plus or minus 5 over 4. Not a lot of repeats here, not yet. Plus or minus 15 over 4. The reason for that is there are no 2's in the top number, and there's no 5's or 3's on the bottom number, so nothing's being left out. Then I'm going to use 8, and see, I have plus or minus 1 over 8. I have plus or minus 3 over 8, still no duplicates. Plus or minus 5 over 8, and plus or minus 15 over 8. Wow. So that is a lot of possibilities. I'd kind of like to graph that to see where I might want to start, because that's a lot of choices, and I don't want to go through all of them. Trial and error.